Kelly Muro here with North Commerce, and in this video, I'm going to go over all the North Commerce page templates that are created when you activate the plugin. So if I go to pages right here, I'll see we've got a couple pages here that have some labels on them, so they're easy to know which are the North Commerce templates and which are just your own templates. This one is a draft or privacy policy page, and then here's a single product template. So when you activate North Commerce automatically creates these pages for you. And let's just imagine that you are on a fresh install and you have, in this case, 2024 installed. And I'll come in here and we can start to look at the products that I have. So here's the product page template. All it does is it just injects this, this short code here. And then I can come in here as like the web developer or the web designer or the store owner or whatever, and edit this however I want. So that looks great. So that looks awesome. I have the collection pages, I have the product pages, all of that works just great. You'll notice the checkout thank you page here has this little line right before it, okay? And that means that it's a sub page of something. And so you'll notice that the checkout thank you page is a child of the checkout page here. So you'll see that the parent page is checkout. I could easily just remove that and that would still work the same. But I have the parent page as the checkout. So then it structures the URL, checkout thank you. And so this is to prevent any other pages that might be generated with other plugins, other thank you pages. Maybe you have your e-commerce checkout, but then you have like a sales page checkout that redirects to a different thank you page, and that's titled thank you. Just there to avoid conflicts, but you can put that to whatever you want. And then if I go into the North Commerce settings, so I'm just hovering over North Commerce here and going to settings, and I'll click on general. And then I'll scroll towards the bottom here. I'll see my products, and this is my product page templates. So this is the product details page. This is automatically assigned to the products page. So if I switch over to the pages, this is the products page here with the ID of 8. You'll see that there as well. And so I can see, okay, cool. This is the products page with the ID of 8. And then I have the collections page assigned to the collections page. So this is the page that will show all of the product collection view, the grid view. And then if I scroll down here, I have the cart page, the checkout page, and the checkout thank you page. So if for some reason your products aren't working, your collection pages aren't working, they're not rendering, they're not showing or something, it's most likely because either these templates got messed up or because somehow the pages may have gotten deleted. So let's pretend that the checkout page got deleted. Okay, so I'm gonna, someone came in on accident and just trashed it and permanently deleted the whole checkout page. Bummer. Well, all you have to do is, and let me show you this really quick too. So you might see here inside of settings, general, scroll down to the checkout page. The checkout page no longer exists, so we're just gonna go to the next page that's available to us and the cart page. So now we see the cart page is also the checkout page template, which will mess things up when you add items to your cart or you go to view your cart and all of a sudden it redirects to the checkout, or you want to go to checkout and then it redirects to the cart page. It's going to get wacky. So all you have to do is just click on add new page, and I'll just close that, and then we'll type in checkout here. And I'm going to go ahead to the I might not remember every short code, so let's pretend I forgot what the short code was, and I'll go here to the short codes and I'll find the checkout page and I'll copy and paste the checkout short code. If you're using Bricks or Gutenberg, you'll have a checkout blocks you could use, so you wouldn't have to use the short code, but for now, we'll just use the short code for this example. So I'll publish that page and then I can view it, and that looks good. Your cart's empty. It's got checkout. Now I can go back here. Now you'll also notice when I deleted the checkout page, the thank you page lost its parent. It's lost its parent page. So if I wanted to reassign that parent page, I could do the same thing. Checkout, save. I don't have to do that, but just for the sake of the URL structure, I could do that. And then I want to go to settings, and you'll notice too, just let me open a new tab. This new page for checkout has an ID of 43. So now if I go to settings, general, scroll down to the checkout page right here. I can go checkout. I'll save that. And now my checkout page has been restored and I have the label. And now when I go to add a product to, a cart and hit checkout, it goes to the correct template. Because what we do is we look for those templates inside of North Commerce, where the URL here, you could look at the bottom left of the screen, it says /checkout. This is dynamically updated. So if I wanted to change that to anything, I could change that. So let's say that I update this to, silly checkout page. It doesn't matter. It could be anything, right? I hit save. I come back to the product page. I'll refresh this. I'll add a new item to my cart and I hover over this. If you look at the bottom left, you'll see that the URL is updated to that silly checkout page because it's pulling that template. So we always need to know what template belongs to what page so we can make sure we redirect all those things. And then here we have our checkout page we can check out. So this is how page templates work in North Commerce. And if you ever have questions or something breaks, feel free to reach out to support and we'd be happy to help. But first, it's always good to go through your pages and see if you're missing any of these here. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.